Full on Rage back here again with another match from the Colony Wars tournament starting now. Let's see who's gonna go first. Alright, I'll be going second. What kind of cards do we have? Most likely he's gonna want to grab this Star Barge and he'll probably have enough money for it. Actually, I mean, mathematically speaking, he has to have enough money for it. Which leaves me with a situation of might grab that, but there's nothing to grab. There's nothing to grab. I don't know. Let's see what we have. Okay, we have 3. Here's the thing. If I grab this, I get both. So I think I'm gonna go for that. I'm gonna grab this. And I could put something at the top of my deck for free. Well, I want more money. So, let's go ahead and put that at the top of my deck. I don't know, was that the right choice? We're gonna find out. I probably should just grab that Ravager and just put it right at the top and just start dealing out damage looking back on it. I don't know what I'm thinking. I could always grab something dinky like this later on. Yeah, I don't know what I'm thinking. Okay, he's probably, contemplating, which one he's gonna get. He's probably gonna get that card that I gave up. I don't know why I would give that up. I wasn't thinking. The pressure was on me. Yeah, probably should just grab that and then grab that as well. Kept the draw card for later. But now, I mean, now what I will have the option of doing is I'll be able to go through my deck a little faster. Because I'm gonna get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm gonna cycle through the deck again. We gotta see how this is gonna play out. Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? This poor guy must be like, what the hell is this doofus doing? That was stupid. I wasted a lot of time there, which is going to cut into my next turn. Okay, so I'm going to have 5, but I could have the option of 6, which I think I'll do. I think me being having a little bit of a slow moment, totally forgetting to end my turn, I think that made him kind of like walk away for a little bit. So if I'm lucky, it'll skip his turn. A cheesy way to get an advantage, but you gotta do everything you can to win. Okay. Interesting. You know what I'm thinking? I'm gonna have 5. I'm thinking I'm gonna grab this right there. I'm gonna grab that. Put it right into the deck. And then I'm gonna end up drawing 2 cards. Sure, let's draw the 2 cards, see what happens. Okay, get the Explorer, do the damage, and now my next hand has this, and I'm gonna gun for one of these 2 cards. Ideally, I'd like to grab this card, but I'm gunning for one of those 2 cards. He's got 4. He's going to grab one of them. Which one is he going to go for? Alright, he's got the one that I kind of wanted. But I'm going to grab the blob one. Because I need to start to be able to do damage. Now, if he has all 3 explorers, yeah, I was gonna say he can't knock that out. Okay, I have an idea of what I want to get. I'm just gonna grab them both. Is he gonna grab them both? Okay. He could get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. He can get like some strong cards in his hand. So what I'm gonna do actually is I'm gonna get rid of these 2 really powerful cards to make sure he can't get them, and instead I'm gonna give them to myself. I mean, I'm gonna give myself some options is what I'm trying to say. I don't know what I'm doing this round, but I'm getting a little wild. I'm doing some unorthodox stuff here. Give myself a little health, and then I'm going to give myself health again and draw a card. So instead of having 4, I'm going to have 5. Or 6. And if I'm lucky, he still won't scrap this. He still won't knock that out, so I'll be able to scrap my cards a little bit. If I'm lucky. Not a good start so far. Most likely he's taking that base out. So if I get 6, I'm going to go for this, of course. Okay, definitely not looking like I'm keeping that base in play. Because he's going to be able to scrap both of those for 4 damage. So if he has anything that does damage, then that guy's gone. But if I get lucky, and he's not gone, I get to get rid of one of these Vipers. And that'll help me. Yeah, he took the card I wanted. First thing I want to do, get rid of one of these Vipers. Let's draw a card and see what we're working with. I'm going to have 5. And I'm going to take all this stuff I see here. Because I already have a red. I'll grab you. And I'll grab you. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Down to 6. Just thinking, you know, I have a lot of reds, so let's just capitalize on these reds. This is a good card, does a lot of damage, you know, and if I can just get like another card like this card that does a decent amount of damage and just keep my deck really, really tight, could work out. You know, his deck is not very tight. Like, he could pull a hand that looks like this. Then again, he can do some crazy damage with these guys and really hurt me, so. He's getting a lot of cards. Okay. Basically, I want to get rid of anything that I think is going to be detrimental to me. He's got blues, yellows, reds. Gotta get rid of this yellow. That just, I can't let him get that. Can't let him get that. I don't want him getting any more reds either. Get this blob, do my 11 damage. I kind of want him to make me scrap a card, discard a card. Like, if he's gonna make me discard a card, yeah, this would be the one to do it. This way at least I can scrap some stuff. Now if he makes me discard 2 cards, which he can with this, then I'm looking bad. And he's probably going to do it. Let's see. Because then he's going to make me get rid of both of these, and then I'm not going to be able to scrap one of them like I want to. So I'm hoping if he realizes this, he's going to use that. Oh, I don't know. Don't listen to me, guys. I'm thinking of the wrong cards here. Discard that scout. We'll scrap that scout. Scrap this guy. Let's put this guy. No. I like this. I like putting this into the idea of putting a blob. Just go blobs and reds. I'm going hard blobs. I'm going hard reds. If he is going to put a base out, he's got no bases. So that doesn't help. I could get incredibly lucky and he doesn't knock this out. And then I could just go hog wild with scrapping and get a really tight deck. I mean, it's already going to be a very tight deck. The only thing I'm worried about is his cards are strong. He's got a deck that's scary. Like, look at this deck right here. It's just scary looking. And then this ability, choose a card 5 or less from your discard pile, put it at the top of your deck. He's going to put something good on top there. It's going to fuck me up, I can tell you that right now. This card has not been panning out because I can't use my abilities ever. I keep pairing it with the same goddamn thing. Ooh. Yeah, that's rough, right there. What he just did there, that's kind of rough. But I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna scrap. No, never mind. I'm gonna scrap. I'm gonna scrap from your hand. Scrap a card from your discard pile or your hand. 4, 5. Oh, no, no, no. Let's get rid of this blue, because it's not doing anything for me. Wait. Oh, whoops. I was going to say, I was like, I know I could play this. Okay, now things are starting to click a little bit. What do I now want I'm getting. What can he get? 2. Oh, he can get a lot. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Gotta get rid of these 2 really powerful cards because he can get those. Okay. I feel a little bit better about that. I'm gonna get rid of this card this round. We'll scrap. I'm gonna do some scrapping. Oh, wow, that's big. Ah, you bastard. Good job. Good job taking that out. I'll be able to take it out for free, though. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I made it. Oh, boy. Five, 9, 10, 11. We'll take you out for free. And we made it. Cancel that. Oops. Oof. Started getting scary because he had a much better deck than me. I had a tighter deck. I just scrapped everything down, so none of my cards were really great, but they were coming out every single hand, and I was able to dish out the damage I needed to. So that went well. That went well for me.